Almost got it. Oh, honey.
Oh, honey.
Are we there yet?
Almost, buddy. Almost there.
No fox-style music.
Look at you, brave little one. He loves it. Oh, come on.
Almost got it.
You two are doing great. Ooh, is it cold?
You got this, Finn. He's a natural.
Bossman, thank you, Tracy. Lauskus, you've coached me up to.
This is fantastic.
Don't worry, Finn.
It is a little cold, but you are doing so well.
Wow, look at that jump.
We are so good at this.
Again. You're gonna get it.
No, you're not.
Oh, this is so fun.
Whoa! Oh my. Here you go, little guy. Oh, thank you.